Hello everyone and welcome back to the EmperorBTC YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be doing another quick market update video where we will cover the following topics: our accurate prediction of the recent BTC dump, current critical support zones and targets, Ethereum's weakness sub 2k, the news driven volatility explained, and the SPX and BTC correlation analysis. So if we start analysis on the BTC chart, we can see that the bearish retest that we highlighted in our last market update video has held. Even as price returned to it again, it failed to break to the upside and has broken back down with very orderly selling pressure and not necessarily in a panic. You can see we still have our key daily support level around 74 to 73k, and I do believe we will see price reach this level sooner rather than later. So if we zoom out, we can see that currently we are at our first significant area of support, which is indicated by this high volume node here, which is situated between this large volume gap. And the usual rule of thumb with these large volume gaps is that if we partially fill them in with support from the spot market, it could potentially signal a bullish scenario, where if we fully fill them in, it could lean more to the bearish side. So given this controlled selling pressure, it's sensible to follow the downtrend and sell into any short-term pumps such as today's candle, or for longer term investors to gradually accumulate spot positions below 80k, or ideally at our key daily support level at 74 to 73k. And at this stage, a V-shaped recovery appears unlikely given current market conditions, so as usual, staying cautious and patient is key. And if we quickly visit the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we are still very much in a liquid news driven market, which is represented by the White House's first crypto summit. Since it was really an all smoke no cigar event, as the only real announcement was to continue holding the seized coins with no real clarity after all the anticipation and hopium surrounding the event, it's not really surprising that we've shit the bed since and are down 15% from its high. And you can actually see when we put the XBX side by side with the BTC charts and all the recent turmoil that's been going on over there recently, that BTC was holding on in hope of something at that summit last Friday, and once the event passed and the hope was lost, we've began to follow suit whilst we had lagged behind prior. And to finish on a high, Ethereum is making new lows sub 2k, which seems like the most appropriate time for myself to start claiming some clout. As many of you who follow my tweets will know, I'm at Ethereum to zero maxi this cycle, and I posted this tweet here sometime during January, and since then it's been down 42%. It's become an absolute shit coin, and until that changes, I will continue to prey on its downfall. So with that, today's quick market update has reached its conclusion. Again, given the selling pressure, I will be looking to short any short-term pumps with our 74 to 73k level for some long-term holding buys potentially. And I'm working on the first episode of my Trading for Beginners series, which should hopefully be out this week or early next week. Feel free to leave comments on any topics you'd like me to cover in that series. And finally, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.